As of today, Spirit Airlines has officially ceased all operations, and every single flight on their schedule has been canceled. If you walk into a terminal today, you will see empty Spirit ticket counters and powered-down kiosks. It is a highly stressful moment if you have an upcoming trip, but take a breath. Federal credit laws provide clear, established mechanisms to help you get your money back. Recovering your ticket cost is actually the straightforward part of this process. To understand what you are up against, let's look at the basic math of the airline industry when a budget carrier collapses. This chart shows exactly what happens to market capacity. When Spirit leaves a route, overall passenger volume instantly drops by 20%. And this red line shows the immediate reaction to that missing capacity. Average fares jump roughly 23%, or about $60 for a round-trip ticket. People still need to travel. With demand remaining constant and fewer seats available across the board, ticket prices are forced upward. To minimize your out-of-pocket costs, we are going to walk through a structured triage plan for getting your refund and rebooking your flight. This shutdown reaches far beyond Spirit's own passengers. It acts as an industry-wide price reset that will affect nearly everyone's summer travel budget. This is Spirit Action Plan. Your path depends on your payment method and how soon you need to fly. Let's focus first on credit or debit cards. Spirit says they'll process these refunds automatically, but relying on that promise carries a massive risk. Your money can easily get caught up in lengthy bankruptcy court proceedings, leaving you without the cash you need to buy a new ticket today. The faster, more secure alternative is to initiate a proactive chargeback through your bank. Under federal credit laws, you are protected against what is called non-delivery of service. Because the airline failed to fly you, you have clear grounds to dispute the charge. Pick up the phone and call your credit card company right now. Do not wait for Spirit to email you. Using your federal credit protection is the only definitive way to free up your capital quickly, so you can apply it toward a replacement flight. Now let's look at the travelers who booked using cash, travel vouchers, or free Spirit loyalty points. If you fall into this category, you are immediately routed into the standard bankruptcy claims process. When an airline shuts down operations, its proprietary currency essentially evaporates. Your accumulated free Spirit points have zero value on United, American, or Delta. They cannot be transferred or redeemed elsewhere. Any potential compensation for these bookings will be determined by a bankruptcy judge at a much later date. Without the shield of credit card regulations, cash and point users need to prepare for severe delays and a high probability that they will lose the total value of their ticket. Finally, let's address the travelers currently sitting in an airport or those who need to depart immediately. You cannot wait for a refund to clear. Your primary option is to utilize what the industry calls rescue fares, provided by legacy competitors. Airlines like United and American are attempting to absorb stranded passengers by placing fare caps on the specific routes Spirit used to serve. These caps prevent extreme, last-minute price gouging, but they are still based on the pricing structures of legacy carriers. This chart shows a capped legacy rescue fare will be more expensive than your original Spirit ticket. Crucially, these rescue fares are subject to open seats and aren't guaranteed on every route. These fares are a vital lifeline to get you to your destination, but you should expect to pay a noticeable premium over your initial budget. Spirit's ability to pull overall market prices down is gone, and that financial weight now shifts directly to your wallet. If you are traveling in the next 48 hours, here is your exact checklist. Your top priority is securing a seat. Go to a competitor's desk or website and ask for a rescue fare. Do not delete your original Spirit confirmation emails. Carriers offering these discounted emergency rates will require hard proof of your canceled Spirit itinerary before they let you board at the capped price. If you are stranded right now, you are in damage control mode. You are trading extra money for the absolute certainty of getting home safely. If your flight is weeks or months away, you have more breathing room, but you still need to execute these specific steps. First, do not cancel your ticket yourself. Letting the airline default triggers your right to a refund. Instead, call your bank to start the chargeback process, and then immediately begin shopping for a replacement flight. You need to lock in a new itinerary before the peak summer travel rush absorbs the remaining seats and pushes average prices even higher. This is frustrating, but if you used a credit card, federal laws are designed to protect your money. Take it one step at a time. Look at your upcoming budget and factor in the reality that replacing this flight will likely cost more than you originally planned. Reclaiming your initial cash is an administrative hurdle you can reliably clear. The true task is navigating a tighter, more expensive travel market to reach your destination.